Hello everyone, welcome to Skillweb. In this video, I will show you how to rate someone on Twitch. So let's have a look now. First, log into your Twitch account and then once we are logged in, we will go to the profile and select Creator Dashboard. Now we are going to click Rate from Quick Action. Now choose which channel you want to rate and press Rate Now. So that's it. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, please like, comment and share, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more interesting videos. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.